It's an exciting place to be, a brand which has been there in the market for last 17 years, a brand which has empowered SMEs for the last 17 years and has given them a global platform. It is a brand which is at a very exciting place today. All the hard work that has gone in over the last 17 years is bearing results today. Over 50,000 paid clients, over 15 lakh suppliers. I think the numbers speaks for themselves.
At IndiaMart, the best thing that I like is everything is for everyone, and fortunately everything is decided by everyone.
IndiaMart is a full of story of individual successes where people came on board as freshers and have grown to big heights. Today some of our top leaders are the ones who joined us as a fresher about 10 years back.
I think one of the most important aspects of the culture at IndiaMart is the hunger to grow. It's the enthusiasm, it's the energy that you see around, and all that comes because right from the top management to the last rung, everybody is hungry to grow. Everybody knows that there is a huge market potential out there. We've just touched the top of the iceberg, and we are just gunning for the next period of growth. It's a huge firm, almost 2,500 employees. So we are all set to take this set of people forward, adding more people in our journey, and eventually use this energy, this drive to fulfill that hunger that we have.
This organization has got a lot of largies. I haven't seen an organization which allows people to freely speak with seniors, get their opinion as much as IndiaMart. I have worked in various organizations and it's more a very formal hierarchical approach. But here it's quite informal and anybody can walk into any senior's room and talk about his performance or generally about the organization.
IndiaMart is a very open culture. Okay, we have an open door policy. When we get a talent from outside, we make sure that we give them enough time and enough hand-holding so that they succeed within the organization.
At IndiaMart, the work culture is extremely open and transparent. So we have an open door policy. We are a completely non-hierarchical organization, so levels and designations don't really matter to us. Anybody can approach anybody. There is complete transparency and open door policy that we have amongst the senior management levels. What delights me most about IndiaMart is the way that we take care of the employee experiences. Nothing is small or big. Any employee issue, any concern, any suggestion that they have, it is very openly received and acted upon by anybody.
So there's a personal touch involved in everything that we do here at IndiaMart.
We have a very open culture, both in regards to technology and individual. So when I say technology, I believe for mobile number and email ID, right from Dinesh Agarwal to executive, is open to all. Anybody can use any email and any phone number as and when required. There is no disparity. अरे वो तो चौथे level manager है तो मैं क्या करूँ?
There are a lot of youngsters, a lot of youth energy around us, and what we see them is the indefatigable attitude that they have. They are saying no, to any of the barriers that are coming to their life, and eventually what is happening based on that is that energy is passing on to everybody in this firm.
IndiaMart, yes, is a young organization. In fact, the average age would not be more than 26 or 27. We do encourage youngsters to pick up higher responsibilities. We encourage people to move across functions, across verticals, even though they may not have the relevant experience. But we like to encourage people to experiment and try newer roles.
Lots of fast growth opportunities available, especially last 2-3 years, where we have almost grown in 3 times in people, in customer, in offices, employees, customer, everything. That give us a compulsion to ensure that people grow with us, because actually we don't have choices. Just that we'll be able to find the right fitment, we'll be able to give the right growth path. So lots of opportunity came in last 3 years, and with the wish list we have to go beyond 1 lakh customer in next 3 years, I think lots of opportunities still available.
If you look at my career, I joined this company in year 2000. I started online shopping. So since there, I have been a part of various web projects, and I have been given the opportunity to work on different functional roles and profiles. So there has been a continuous learning and continuous growth and continuous support from everyone in the organization.
We also have a lot of young managers who are branch managers, and they handle a team size of 20-25 people.
Office timings are very flexible, so it's not a mandate that everybody has to come at 9, 9:30 or 10 o'clock. So the flexi timings that we have out here, it allows somebody to come even at 8:30. One can log in 9 hours and can leave a little early.
We have a very interesting concept called boot camp, which happens once in a quarter, where the entire teams across the organization come together. We have cultural events. We speak about the progress in the organization openly. Anybody can question anyone, and we party hard as well.